Many of us suffer from hair loss, me included. There are so many different types of treatment out there, from surgeries to topical applications to oral medication. Some of those are very effective, but it can be painful and very costly. So here at Cinrella Medical Spa, we have a solution that is cost-effective and have worked for many of our clients. It's a very simple system of shampoo, conditioner, serum that you leave on, and supplements. The beautiful part about it is that all of these are natural, made from Asia. So I wanted to share it with you. How you utilize it is that you shampoo on a day-to-day basis, and then you utilize the conditioner, just like you do with what you're using right now. The serum is something you leave on. After you shampoo, dry your hair, it's still damp, you're gonna spray it on your scalp, massage it in, and then you just style your hair naturally. And then finally, the supplement, you do it twice a day. You take it twice a day, in the morning maybe, and in the evening. It has a pleasant chocolate taste, and you can do it with warm water, make it kind of like a tea, or you can take it cold with ice. I actually really enjoy this as well. With these formula, you give it about 30 days, you start to see some effect, and if you continue to do so over 60 and 90 days, a lot of our customers can see results. You can see here on screen some of the results that we have had with our customer. For those of you who have dark hair that are graying, we have a solution for you there too. Very simple. This is a product where you can actually shampoo, leave it on for a few minutes while you are cleaning, and then rinse it off, and your hair will not only be stimulated, encourage hair growth, but it also keeps the grays from coming back. Okay, so this is a system that Cinrella Medical Spa have to help with hair loss. And if you give it 60 to 90 days, you really can see the result. For those of you who can't come into Cinrella Medical Spa, I highly encourage you to come in for consultation. We have a laser technology that works with these systems that have even quicker, faster, effective method to encourage hair growth. So call us for consultation. I can't wait to see you.